While we speak, we express several emotions like happiness, sadness, shock, surprise, excitement. But when we write, how can we express these emotions? We express these emotions using a punctuation mark called an exclamation mark. Exclamation mark is used after words or sentences which express sudden feeling or wish. This is an exclamation mark. It looks like an inverted I, and just like full stops, the first word after a mark of exclamation always starts with a capital letter. Now, an exclamation mark helps to express the feeling of shock. So, if a sentence has a feeling of shock, we can express it using an exclamation mark. Like, there has been a terrible accident. So, there is a sense of shock here, which is expressed using this exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. So, this is an exclamatory sentence because it ends with an exclamation mark. There has been a terrible accident. Without the exclamation mark, the sentence would be, there has been a terrible accident. No emotion, no sense of shock. But to express that shock, there has been a terrible accident. We need to use an exclamation mark. So what will be the correct option? What a terrible fire this is. It is a full stop here. Option B has a comma. We never put comma at the end of a sentence. Option C has an exclamation mark. We can read it as, what a terrible fire this is. So we have an exclamation mark at the end. And option D has a question mark. What a terrible fire this is. So is it a question? It is not a question. It is not a statement. And we don't put comma at the end of a sentence. We are expressing shock. What a terrible fire this is. And for that, I need to put an exclamation mark at the end. So the correct option is this, the one with the exclamation mark. An exclamation mark also helps to express frustration. So over here, this boy is so frustrated. He says, I cannot figure this out. So it helps to express the frustration. And to express frustration, we use an exclamation mark. It is also used to express sorrow. Alas, I have lost my bag. Now, in this sentence, this word alas is used to express sorrow, and I need to put an exclamation mark after this word. So it becomes alas, I have lost my bag. It indicates sorrow. The girl is sad that she has lost her bag. So she says, alas, I have lost my bag. Now this alas, because it is a single word used to express emotion, it is an interjection. It is an interjection because it is a single word and not a sentence expressing a strong emotion. So it is an interjection. Alas, I have lost my bag. So this is how we can use exclamation mark to express sorrow. Exclamation mark is also used to express pain. Ouch, it hurts. Now ouch, once again, is a word used to express pain, a very strong emotion. And how do we indicate that strong emotion? Using the exclamation mark. So we use the exclamation mark after ouch and we read it as ouch, it hurts. So there is a strong emotion which is expressed using this exclamation mark. Ouch, it hurts. It is a strong feeling of pain. And ouch once again is an interjection. Also, as you can see, the next letter after the exclamation mark is a capital letter. So we don't write small it after exclamation mark, we write capital it. Exclamation marks are also used to express silence. So there are certain words like hush, the children are asleep. Now this hush is a word used to express silence. It is used to say that you should be silent because the children are asleep. So I need to use an exclamation mark after hush, and the T of the is capital because it comes after the exclamation mark. Shh, there is someone here. Now this shh is also used to express silence. So I am putting an exclamation mark here. Shh, there is someone here. So now can you select the correct word from the given words? So will it be hush, hello, bravo, the teacher is coming? Well, hush is an interjection or a word used to express silence. Hello is used to greet and bravo is used to applaud. But over here, the next sentence is the teacher is coming. It means we need to be silent. We need to maintain silence. So the correct interjection or the correct word to use is hush. So it is hush, the teacher is coming. So there are words like hush, shh, which express silence and are followed by exclamation marks. These are interjections. Exclamation marks are also used to express sorrow, indicated by words like alas. They are also used to express pain, used by words like ouch. They are also used to express shock. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.